from Philippines. To live with you from Egypt. Kadasyo ka lang. No. I already live in the Egypt before. Now I'm Philippine. Those who are you? Huwag kang tatawadan dyan, Suabe. Samahan mo ba yan? Di ko kilala. Nawala na. To you, do you speak Arabic? No, I don't speak Arabic. Nagmula siya Mrs. yata yan. I don't speak Arabic. I speak French. You speak Philippine? If you speak Philippine, we can talk together. If you are not speaking Philippine, we cannot talk. Because me, I not to speak. I wasn't you to have her calling her. Where? Where did you call? I don't remember. You know how to speak English? Oh no. Philippine. We can talk. Ramadan Kamal, this is your main account? Salvation translated into Filipino. Mean salvation yan eh. Mean salvation for who? Ramadan, thank you for coming, ha? Yeah, ninja. Ninja na, Suabe. Yan mo na. Oo, hindi naman ako maglagay ng mga ganyan. Oh, baby. Ganyan mo ako intindihin. O, diba? Nagtagalog na ka. Ang sipag mo magtagalog, pare. Ang galing mo magtagalog, oy. You're very good. Para kang honey. Honey, my love, so sweet. Mojud. Oo nga. Honey na ano? Honey sa